See example, when a substance A was exposed to light, 0.002 moles of it reacted in 20 minutes 4 seconds. In the same time, A absorbed 2 into 10 raised to power 6 photons of light per second. Calculate quantum yield of the reaction. Now in this problem, you have to find out quantum yield of the reaction, and the number of moles reacted are given in 20 minutes 4 seconds. Now let me assume this is substance A. This substance A was exposed by a light, then its 0.002 moles get reacted, and the time is 20 minutes 4 seconds, means total 20 minutes get converted into seconds. It will be 1200 second, then 4 second means 1204 so many seconds. Are you getting? समझ में आया? Now in the same time A absorbs so many photons, 2 into 10 raised to power 6 per second. Now calculate the quantum yield. Now given data, what is given? Number of moles reacted, number of moles reacted, number of moles reacted is equals to 0.002 moles. Now time, number of moles reacted, number of moles reacted in time. How much time? That is 1204 seconds. It is given, and it absorbed how many quantas? Quantas absorbed. Quantas absorbed in 1204 seconds. How many quantas absorbed? 2 into 10 raised to power 6 photons. Photons or quantas. Okay. Now per second, quantas absorb 2 into 10 raised to power 6 so many photons per second in 1 second. What is given? It is absorbed in 1 second. It is a given data. Now you know the formula. Phi equals to number of molecules reacted in given time upon number of quantas, or we can say photons, absorbed in the same time. In the same time. Now first of all, calculate the number of molecules reacted in the given time. Number of moles reacted are given in 1204 seconds. You have to calculate the number of molecules. How it can be calculated? Moles you have to transfer into molecules. For this you must know one thing. 1 mole of any substance contains the Avogadro's number of molecules. Means how many number of molecules are obtained from these moles. That's why the number of molecules reacted it will be 0.002 multiplied by n. and that is n is nothing but Avogadro's number. That's why 0.02 into 6.025 into 10 raised to power 23 so many molecules. That's why after multiplying this you will get the number of molecules reacting, and after this you have to find out the denominator, number of quantas absorbed in the same time. Here the quantas absorbed in 1 second is so much. That's why you have to calculate the number of quantas absorbed in 1204 seconds. How it can be calculated? See, number of quantas absorbed in 1204 seconds. Actually, number of molecules reacted in 1204 seconds. So many. That's why the number of photons absorbed will be, how number of photons absorbed will be, now it is the quantas absorbed in 1 second. That's why you have to calculate in so many seconds. That's why it will be equals to 1204 multiplied by 2 into 10 raised to power 6 so many photons or quantas. Now you will get both of these values. That's why the number of molecules reacted, you know, 0.002 into 10 raised to power multiplied by 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Now denominator becomes, what it becomes? Number of quantas absorbed. You know both the terms. That's why you know denominator, numerator both. That's why phi equals to number of molecules reacted. It will be 0.002 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 upon number of quantas absorbed will be 1204 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. And after this, after calculating both of numerator and denominator, you will get 4.99 into 10 raised to power 11 so many quantas. 4.99 into 10 raised to power 11, it is nothing but the value of phi. Now in this way this value of phi is obtained. You must know only formula, number of molecules reacted. If molecules are there, then you have quantas at the denominator. If here there are moles, then here there are Einsteins. And how it can be calculated? By simple trinomial. For this you must know 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of molecules. Okay, and you know per second so many quantas. That's why so many seconds, how many quantas? Multiplication of these two. See problem, when a substance is irradiated with a light of 5000 angstrom wavelength is given, 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 moles of that substance get decomposed. How many photons are absorbed during the reaction if the quantum efficiency is 10? Now see, given data. Now in the given data, quantum efficiency is given, that is phi equals to 10. Then what is given? Substance is irradiated with light of wavelength, means lambda is given. That's why it will be a 5000 angstrom. Now the moles decompose, number of moles decompose, number of moles decompose means number of moles decompose means number of moles reacted. It will be 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 so many moles. Now how many quantas are absorbed during the reaction? How many quantas are absorbed? Quantas are absorbed during the reaction. This you have to calculate. First of all, you must know the formula. 5. Number of moles reacted in given time upon number of Einsteins absorbed. If in the numerator, if number of moles reacted, moles is there, then number of Einsteins absorbed. If number of molecules are there, number of molecules reacted, then at the denominator what is there? Number of quantas, or one can say photons, number of quantas absorbed. Here number of molecules decomposed are given, and again you know what you have to calculate. You have to calculate the number of quantas absorbed. That's why we have to use this formula. Now, but number of moles are given, and you have to transfer this number of moles decomposed or number of moles reacted into the number of molecules reacted. How it can be calculated? You know, 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of molecules. That's why how many moles, how many molecules of so many moles? That's why the number of molecules reacted, number of molecules reacted, it will be number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number, and you know Avogadro's number is, what is it? 6.23 into 10 raised to power 23 so many molecules. Now number of molecules reacted from this number of moles decomposed, or one can say instead of this reacted, number of molecules decomposed, one and same thing. Decomposed means reacted here. Now that's why phi is equals to, what is the value of this number of molecules reacted? Number of molecules reacted will be 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Then at the denominator, number of photons absorbed. That's why the number of photons absorbed, that is equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 multiplied by 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by phi. Again, what is given? Phi is also given. That's why divided by 10. 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Again, numerator 23 minus 4, and it comes out to be 19. That's why 6.02 into 10 raised to power 19 divided by 10. Again 6.02 into 10 raised to power 18. So many photons were absorbed, means number of photons absorbed is equals to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 18.